So we start off today's video with this bob haircut transformation. Wow, loving this effortless, chic bob style. It ends around her jawline and just looks absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some must-see long to short transformations. Here we have the stylist once again cutting long hair to a shorter style. Bam, beautiful bob. And then we see someone with hair just a bit past their shoulders. Wow, absolutely gorgeous asymmetrical style pixie. This is beautifully done. Loving the longer bangs in the front, the shaven detailing. This is absolutely phenomenal. Next up, we see someone with long blue hair. I am loving this shade of blue. It reminds me of the ocean. It's just so gorgeous. So she decides to shake things up with a bob haircut. Wow. And if I thought that I loved the color before, I am loving it even more now in the form of this bob. This is just breathtaking. She looks amazing. And don't forget to let me know in the comments below which hair transformation in today's video is your favorite. I'm gonna be honest and saying that this is definitely top for me. Next up, we have another pixie style. This one does feature the shaven nape. Looks like she also has some blonde going there throughout. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Loving the color paired with the cut overall. Just so chic and modern. Beautifully done. And then we see someone with long waist length hair. The stylist brushes the hair, braids it up, and begins to cut. So she's probably going to be getting a pixie cut with this one if I had to guess. And the fact that the hair was braided was most likely means she's going to be getting a donation to the hair company. Or giving a donation rather. Oh wow, what a transformation. So she did end up getting some things in the front to frame the face. Gorgeous. Nice, chic pixie makeover. So then we see someone with a brunette pixie. And bam, wow, beautiful blonde. Absolutely stunning. I really like this blonde on her. It's a nice bright blonde that really highlights her complexion. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with like a pixie style haircut or grown out pixie. And she's going to be getting a clean up and going much shorter. Oh, very nice. Her hair is so thick and full, so much body, and she did end up getting more of like that bob pixie variation. This is so gorgeous. Then we see someone with hair just a bit past their shoulders. And they have decided to switch it up to this beautiful bob. Absolutely stunning. Alright, you guys, I hope that you were able to gain some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.